rice. This is a jollof rice weekend for you, specially cooked from KemiMK kitchen. Today I'll be using Maggi, a cube of Maggi. I'll be using jumbo jollof rice seasoning, 1 plum tomato can, and 3 tablespoons of Derica concentrated tomato. You can use any brand, it's up to you. A pinch of curry powder, some salt, 2 onions, 2 tomatoes, 3 bell peppers, 2 scotch bonnet pepper, 2 bay leaves. It's optional. If you like to put bay leaves, you put bay leaves. If not, then I'll be having dodo at the side, and I have here 4 mugs of golden basmati rice. Yeah, before blending, you add some water. Yes, I have everything in my blender. I've got my onions, my bell pepper, my scotch bonnet pepper together, and some water to blend. To start with our jollof fry, we add some onions to a hot oil first. Like, you need to leave it to fry until it's brown, then before we add our tomato puree. Right, our tomato puree is added into the onions, which I'm going to fry until it turns like cooked or brownish, before I will add my tomato, the blended tomato and bell pepper and scotch bonnet mixture. Before I will add it to it, and I will leave it to cook for about 30 minutes, which I'll be constantly turning so that I won't get burnt. I will leave this for about 10-15 minutes, then add the mixture of bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and the rest of the onions. I'll add into it. Before adding the tomato mixture, I have jollof rice seasoning from Jumbo. Right, before adding the rest of the tomato, pureed tomato, I will add my jumbo jollof seasoning and my cube of Maggi, my curry, and some salt before adding it. So it's added now. Then I turn it, then for about 60 seconds, which is 1 minute. Then I'll turn in my mixture. Yeah. After turning in my mixture, then I will add the 2 bay leaves, which I have beside me. I'll add the bay leaves in the mixture, and I will leave it to cook for about 30 minutes. I can add some water so that I will cook for 30 minutes, and you continually turn it so that I won't get burnt. Yeah, because I'm having my jollof rice with plantain, with fried plantain. I'm gonna show you how I've been cutting my plantain. That way. So you can see this is the kind of cup I've used. I have 4 of this cup of rice to go with my mixture. This is the washing of the rice. Our rice needs to be washed thoroughly until you get a clear water on top. Yeah, it's getting clearer and clearer as I wash my rice. You wash it till you get a clear water on top, so that you get all the starch out, almost all the starchy part out of the rice. So my rice is ready, it's clean, it's washed. I'm going to add my rice to the as you can see, after 30 minutes of cooking, it's ready. I need to add my rice into the sauce. Add my rice. Rice is added into the sauce. Added. So until I get it, I turn my rice, and I can add a bit of water for the cooking. Some water is added, and jollof rice will be ready in about 30 minutes time. But in between, I'll check on my rice and turn it. So waiting for the rice to be ready. As I'm doing my rice, as I'm cooking my rice, my dodo is getting ready too. Wow, as you can see, our jollof rice is getting ready. Just have to turn it from the bottom up to the top, just for it to not to get burnt. So it's getting ready. This is after 15 minutes. In the next 15 minutes, our jollof rice will be ready to eat. Thank you. Yeah, you continue to stir on a low heat for at least, this is about done it for 20 minutes now. In 10 minutes it'll be ready. Just continue to stir on a low heat until it's ready. Our jollof rice is ready after cooking for about 30 minutes on a low heat. It's ready, and I'll be eating my jollof rice with my family. Voila! As you can see, our jollof rice is ready. I have dodo beside my jollof rice and turkey, and I've got Fanta from African shop to wash it down because it's refreshing. It's summertime, so enjoy. Yes, thank you very much for turning in to watch this recipe, jollof rice. It's from a Nigerian culture where we celebrate our food really big and really loud. It's a country that thrives on its food, music and hospitality, which I think is very similar to all the rest of African countries. Listen and enjoy. Thank you.